Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to sign a PDF document on iPhone. First, locate and open the PDF you need to sign, perhaps in your Files app or directly from an email. Once the document is open, look for the markup icon, which resembles a pen tip, usually found in the top right corner. Tapping this icon will reveal the markup toolbar at the bottom of your screen, giving you access to all the tools you'll need for signing. Now that the markup toolbar is visible, you'll want to find the signature tool. Tap the plus sign icon, typically located on the right side of the toolbar, to expand your options. From the menu that pops up, choose Signature. If you've signed documents on your iPhone before, your saved signatures will appear. If not, don't worry, the system will guide you to create a brand new signature right away. If you're creating a new signature, simply use your finger to sign your name clearly on the line provided on your screen. Once you're satisfied with how it looks, tap Done in the top right corner to save it. Your newly created signature will then appear on your PDF. You can easily drag it to the correct spot and use the blue dots at its corners to resize it, ensuring it fits perfectly within the document. Once your signature is perfectly placed and sized, tap the Done button, usually found in the top left corner of your screen. This action will finalize your changes. You'll then be presented with options to either save the signed PDF to your Files app or a cloud service, or to share it directly. You can easily send it via mail, messages, or any other sharing option available, completing the process in just a few taps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.